Good evening and welcome to eRepair. So today I'm working on a Samsung Galaxy Tab. This is an SM-T713. I've done a video recently on charge port replacement. I'm not sure if I will have published that at the time of this recording, but it's coming if it's not already out. So today we're doing a quick battery replacement video on it. Someone's asked me about how to do that, so I thought I'd just quickly knock something together for them, as I do try to all my requests. So the back on this device is quite straightforward to get off. It's just clipped in. It is quite difficult. You do need a pry tool generally to pull it up. I might be able to get my fingers under a corner where I've done it before, but I don't think I will. I think I'll need something pointy. So generally, a blade of some description, you'll need some kind of metal spudge or something like that to get it going. You may mark the case. You have been warned. I have in this corner. This is why I'm going in the same place. It is, oh, and now I've scratched it as well. Brilliant. It is quite tricky to get going. Come on, you little monkey. You do need like 15 pairs of hands to do this. There you go. See, once you get it going, it's not too bad. So it will pop up. It's clipped in all the way around. The clips are quite tight, as I say. They are pretty difficult to get up. But once they do go, they will go. Again, this video is for illustrative purposes. I'm not actually going to do a battery replacement. I'm just demoing it. So we'll pop that one up. That's our battery connector. The battery is held in with a little bit of adhesive, so that you can get this out with the Samsung pull strips. I never quite believe it, but essentially pull this up, and this is what they provide you with to get the battery out. So pull this one up, and then carefully apply fairly even pressure, and it will go, just like that. I want to really try and reuse this battery because I don't actually need to replace it. So let's just flatten that out a bit. But that's essentially it. That's our battery out. You can pick these up on eBay for around £10–15. Same goes for Amazon. I will link something in the description, so if anyone wants to buy one, they can. They're not expensive things. And again, this isn't a particularly complicated job either. Obviously, there is some adhesive here that is absolutely fine in this case. You might need to replace the 4 adhesive pads. These ones aren't too bad to get out compared to some of the others. So obviously to put it back in, complete reverse, push this down, make sure the cable's connected. Everything should just button up really nicely. With the back, all you're going to do, no particular end, just push it all the way around until you hear the whole back click all the way around. If something doesn't go in, there's usually a reason for it. And then that's it. We're all buttoned up. And that's our battery replacement done. So this has been my nice Samsung Tab SM-T713. Again, if there's any other questions you want to ask on this one, I will have this device for a while. It is something that I need to give a longer test to because of the other repairs I've done on it. If you found the video useful, please drop me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel. The more you can do and comment, the more it puts my videos into the algorithm, the more I can produce this stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.